Trading Calculator. The trading calculator can be found when you open a transaction ticket for instant execution and pending order. In the center part of this window, you can calculate profits and loss in pips and currency for the preferred level of the take profit and stop loss options. To do so, first choose the type of order, and then the type of transaction, buy or sell. You can calculate the value of the spread, pip, and daily swap in account currency. You can manipulate the number of lots, the value of the contract, and margin to see how it will change.